Real quickly, can of pinto beans in the food processor, salt, black pepper, garlic, and the whole can of beans with the juice and the liquid in it. And that's going to be your gravy. Some diced tomatoes that I cut up. Then you get a jackfruit. I had some leftover jackfruit. I sauteed it in a pan with some yellowish orange bell peppers that I grew, some fresh rosemary that I grew, some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and yeah, that's it, the rosemary I said, right? And get that going. I made up some couscous in the meantime, and then I put the couscous down with the chicken and down, and then I made the gravy over it, and let's see here, some fresh tomatoes. You can do whatever you want with it, but that's just something I did real quickly here because I had some leftover jackfruit, and that's what I decided to do with it. And that's what it looks like once it's mushed up there. Let's see, where's a piece of chicken? Delicious. So yeah, nice and simple, nice and easy. Again, can of pinto beans with the juice in it and everything. Food processor with some salt, garlic, cloves, and olive oil and pepper. Chicken, olive oil is the jackfruit, and olive oil, rosemary, and some fresh bell pepper, salt, and just saute it up. The cut tomatoes from my garden, or actually this one wasn't from my garden, but I do have them almost ready. Diced tomatoes on the side are chilled. I threw them on raw, and yeah, that's it. It's simple and easy. So, plus the gravy is good because it's made of beans, so they're fiber, protein, carbs, and plant material. All right, that's it. Simple. Lots of love to you. Bye bye.